Step into this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home featuring fresh neutral paint throughout for move-in ready experience. The large great room is perfect for entertaining, complete with vaulted ceilings and a cozy brick fireplace with electric insert that will keep you warm on those chilly nights. The kitchen is the star of the home. It shines with newer, matching stainless steel appliances, including a fantastic gas burner stove, making meal prep something that you'll look forward to. The spacious master suite boasts a walk-in closet and a full bath with dual sinks for added convenience. You'll be able to enjoy peaceful mornings on the patio overlooking the open area, bordered by woods and fields. The best part about this peaceful area is that there are no neighbors behind you. Wildlife sightings in your own backyard add to the charm of this serene setting. If you have kids or pets, the common area playground is just steps away and easily visible from the patio. Want more? How about a brand new furnace and air conditioning? Lucky for you, brand new American Standard units were just installed a few weeks ago. This home is truly move-in ready and a prime location with quick access to shopping and 469. What's not to love? This home is a must-see, so don't wait. Call April Lehman and schedule your showing before it's too late.